women being too heavy-handed in the war on drugs. A Glenpool woman getting her life back on track has been unable to get her vehicle back several months after her arrest. As News Channel 8's Bert Mumlo reports, the way the vehicle was involved might surprise you. Bert.
Brenna, Lilly Powell wasn't arrested in her vehicle, nor were there any drugs found in it. Nevertheless, her Jeep was confiscated.
Going to work is been a struggle.
8 months ago, Lilly Powell's Jeep Compass was confiscated by the Muscogee Nation Lighthorse police.
I've talked to lots of lawyers about this because I've been so stunned that this is what's happening.
Attorney Ted Hasse is Lilly's lawyer in a case that began with an arrest for drugs.
I struggled with addiction for years.
According to a Lighthorse police report, they served a search warrant on a home in Muscogee back in February, at which time Lilly allegedly had some drugs in her wallet. Lilly was in the house, not the Jeep. That was parked out front.
She wasn't even in the car. This isn't a DUI case where she was misusing her vehicle while she was intoxicated or even in the process of transporting.
According to the police report, Powell stated she drove to Tulsa in her red Jeep and picked up $100 worth of fentanyl from a friend. Police then seized her vehicle.
Nobody I talked to seems to be aware of any county in the state of Oklahoma that's seeking forfeitures under conditions like these. It's simply not happening.
Notice he said forfeiture. That's because the Muscogee Nation has made it clear they don't want to give it back. Hasse's theory as to why?
I think, the best, most reasonable guess we have here is that money goes straight to Lighthorse Police. They get to keep that money, so it seems like suddenly a revenue source.
We reached out to the Nation, who told us in part, we are not aggressively seizing property. However, officers of the Lighthorse Police Department are aggressively looking to eradicate the dangerous and deadly drugs that are killing people off the streets of our reservation. If you are using a vehicle to transport these items or to commit any offenses against tribal law, we will confiscate it.
I'm disappointed to hear that statement, frankly. My hope was that Attorney General Jerry Wisner didn't know what was happening and that they would find out and say, whoa, let's put the brakes on this.
What's more, says Attorney Hasse, after talking with the prosecutor, Lilly is far from alone.
Sounds to me, and they're telling me, that this is just the tip of the iceberg and that Lilly Powell is only the first and that this is only going to get worse.
Fortunately, Lilly is clean and sober, has been for months. If you've had property confiscated under what you think are unusual circumstances, we'd like to know. Just email us. Bert Mumlo, News Channel 8.